Some careers are timeless, like building a home from the ground up. If you've always dreamed of being a professional craftsman, it's time to take your career into your own hands. The Carpentry program at GTCC gives you the practical skills needed to enter the construction industry and pursue a general contractor's license. You may even build a house from footings to roof with one of GTCC's nonprofit partners.
When I started at GTCC, it's because I was interested in a subject. I had no idea that this was going to become a career that I loved.
With a carpentry diploma from Guilford Technical Community College, you can open doors to endless career opportunities.
So the GTCC program really set me up well. It gave me the job I've got now. It taught me tons of skills, and I am incredibly thankful for what they've done for me.
The construction industry is growing, and employers need skilled craftsmen to meet the demand.
GTCC has prepared me well because I can walk onto a job site and know what I'm doing.
Start your career in construction with training from GTCC.
I've been a general contractor since 2009. I work at it every week. It's a great job.
Learn more about the Carpentry program or any of the 80+ programs offered at GTCC today. Visit gtcc.edu to enroll.